Hey Pawns.app family, have you ever felt that delightful buzz after sharing a fantastic find? Multiply that by 1,000 and get ready because we're diving into something monumental today. Stay tuned to the end for a superb way to up your earnings game. Thousands of you already share thousands of referral videos and social posts every day through Pawns.app. Seriously, you're blowing our minds with all the love. So guess what? Because we appreciate every single one of you and your grind, we've been cooking up something to blow your mind. Drumroll please. Introducing the Earn More tab on Pawns.app. That's right, we've streamlined, optimized, and put together a hub of fantastic tools just for you. Stay tuned till the end to see why referral sharing will never be the same again. First off, the Invite tab has evolved into the Earn More tab. It's not just a new label, but an entire universe of potential. The cockpit of a futuristic spaceship aimed at maximum impact. It's designed to supercharge your invites, ensuring they aren't just sent, but celebrated, turning every sharing moment into a grand spectacle. Let's delve into the heart of this transformation. So the referral link section, our trusty old friend, has gotten a turbocharged makeover. It's faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. You can now shoot your referral links directly via message or email. Imagine reaching everyone at once, saving a bunch of time. That's exactly what you get, along with a sneak peek at your potential earnings as your invites join the Pawns.app universe. Now slide into the realm of unique referral videos where creativity knows no bounds, a place where thousands of users generate and unleash a flood of captivating referral videos daily, turning it into monumental movement. It's more than a feature, it's a revolution, and you are a vital part of it. Next up, we're embracing the future and scannable QR codes. These aren't just your regular QR codes. They are your golden keys to turning every street corner and public gathering into a source of referrals. It's about painting the town with possibilities and watching curious eyes light up and join the Pawns.app adventure. And last but not least, dive deeper with tailored social media posts. It's all about making a powerful impact without the hassle. Short, catchy, and striking straight to the heart. And let's not forget the revamped referral tracking. It's all about real-time insights, helping you soar higher and smarter. But wait, there's more. As if that wasn't enough, here's the cherry on top. We've also upped our participation rewards. Join Pawns.app and get a $1 boost right away. Make your first withdrawal a minimum of $5, and there's another $1 waiting for you. Oh, and yes, one more buck when you withdraw again. That's $3 in total just from joining and using Pawns.app. Cash boost, anyone? It's not just about the money. It's about making your experience smooth, enjoyable, and super rewarding. And we're committed to ensuring that happens with every click and tap. Woo, what a ride. If you're as excited as we are, dive right into the latest version of Pawns.app and check out the Earn More tab magic. And hey, don't be a stranger, smash that like button, ring that bell, and let us know about your referral adventures in the comments down below. Remember, every share, every click, every video, and QR code brings not just earnings, but also a world of opportunities. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Keep earning and keep shining.